Hello everybody, welcome to Villa Veneto's 1x1 Palermo floor plan. It is 833 square feet. Let's go take a look. As soon as you walk in, you will have access to the wonderful garage area. Your own personal garage and the convenience of your own unit. You will be introduced to the beautiful living room area. Nice, cozy, and spacious. You will have direct access to a very nice balcony. Next, we have the kitchen area. Comes with your standard appliances, refrigerator, oven, microwave, dishwasher. We'll make our way into this hallway where we will be introduced to the bathroom. You are also provided with a very nice and convenient hallway closet. All of our units come with your own built-in washer and dryer. And last but not least, the bedroom, which comes with your own very nice walk-in closet. And there you have it. That is the gorgeous 1x1 Palermo floor plan. If you are interested in renting or want to know more information, please check the details in the description below. This is Palm Valley's Villa Veneto campus. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for touring.